How to unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook account. So this is a very quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So let me show you first how to link your Facebook account. You just have to click this three lines at the top right corner, scroll down and click this connect. Once you tap this one, they will ask you again if you want to connect your Facebook and will give you some instructions before you click confirm. Once you're okay with this, then tap confirm. After that, you will be logged in automatically. Now, if you want to unlink this and realize that you don't want to link your Facebook account, you just have to click this three lines at the top right corner, scroll down and click settings. Under settings, click manage account and then here tap disconnect. To confirm, they will ask you again if you want to really disconnect your Facebook account from Monopoly Go, just tap disconnect. And that's it. You have unlinked your Facebook account from your Monopoly Go application. So if you want to connect it again, you just have to click this play with friends and then you just have to click confirm and your Facebook will be connected again to your Monopoly Go. But again, that's how easy it is to simply unlink your Facebook account from your Monopoly Go application. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.